here we are in front of a hebe, and look, this hebe is flowering in the middle of January. It's possible to find flowers in the middle of the winter, flowers that make their life cycle happen while other things are dormant. So what is it about being in a green space that actually makes us feel good? I'm here in the autumn, it's October, it's in between seasons even, and there are still lots of people out using this space. So there's some really simple and easy ways to change the fences part, particularly, and the greenery part. The fences, there's this really amazing trick you can use, which is to paint the fences in a colour called black ash. And what happens when you stain them that dark colour, the fences disappear into the background and then you see the plants in front of them only. Are you struggling with the loss of someone in your life, or your children have left home? We can help you burst back into life, connecting you back to nature, to joy in the present moment through mindful gardening. So you and your garden can emerge from brain fog to flower power. It's a peaceful protest. Earlier on we were seeing people putting gaffer tape over their mouths, showing that it's a silent protest, and everybody's really peaceful. There are loads of people handing out free food. It's amazing. There's such a feeling of goodwill among the people who are actually demonstrating, but I can't help feeling a sudden nerves of this massive police presence.
Pruning shears or something like that.
Right. So what you could try as a suggestion is to look at it as though it's a piece of sculpture, and what pieces do you want to take away to reveal the beauty of each shrub. And what that means is that then you'll really be connecting with the plant and the overall effect. Are you aware that there's evidence emerging that it supports our mental health to be in green spaces?
No, I didn't know that actually.